Hey everybody, it's Frugally Fit Chick here, and come clean with me.
I'm fresh, I'm clean as a whistle. Niggas talking down, I put the beam on his temple. I fuck around and pop your ass like a pimple. Chillin' with a thick chick, fine with some dimples. I'm fresh, I'm clean as a whistle. Niggas talking down, I put the beam on his temple. I fuck around and pop your ass like a pimple. Chillin' with a thick chick, fine with some dimples. Oh no, Jay's on
Hey
the
YouTube, it's your girl Frugally Fit Chick here with a new segment on my channel. I'm going to be delving into the realm of watch me clean videos. I'm going to show you what it's like to be a mom and busy and working and cleaning your house and all that good stuff. So today, to help me motivate myself, and as well as maybe some of you out there, I decided to tackle the most hated part of the house to clean, the kitchen. So, yeah, here we go. Let's get into it.
What I'm finna quit for? You see me living like a king, and still 116, bruh. Oh Lord, working for the same team. I think I need an ad-lib from Diddy. Cause I'ma take that to each and every city. Homie, I'ma take that. 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 I think I need an ad-lib from Diddy. Cause I'ma take that to each and every city. Homie, I'ma it crazy selling million records, and my name don't get mentioned in the review. It don't matter, get the W. Cause even players on the bench get rings too. Way deep is what the crew is. On the same team, all running the same play. So you need to check your motives if you're doing this. If you was mad and he sold 28K, taken away from the mission. All this division don't add up. It all equals dissension. You ask me, that's bad math, bruh. So yeah, I'm on collision, but really I am indifferent. If you want 1-6 and independent, or you king living, junkie dream, itching, humble coffee bean sipping. Long as the mission and the team don't seem different.
Take that. Cord so tight, can't break that. Might find me in the squad, clicked up in your city, preaching true. Yeah, we showing what a fake that. Man, ain't what the deal is, we showing what the real is. Am I my brother's keeper? We pass around that good, but I ain't talking reefer, and we on. And we ain't never going out. We gon' do it like this till we gone. Tell a young boy, look at here, folk, you gotta man up. Trap hard when you present in the zone. And I ain't talking kitchen, if we pitching it, we giving you the mission that he gave us when he put us on. This real life, boy, more than the song. Live here like kings till he call us home. Oh, love.
What I'm finna quit for? You see me living like a king. It's still 116, bruh. Oh Lord, working for the same team. I think I need an ad-lib from Diddy. Cause I'ma take that to each and every city. Homie, I'ma take that. 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 I think I need an ad-lib from Diddy. Cause I'ma take that to each and every city. Homie, I'ma
Unashamed of the name, run it back, I say the same. Recognize it, not a game, man. Cause I can't remind, tell them I ain't quitting, bro. Man, that's what I'm living for. And where they go, that way I go, that's how I go, like every time. Take it to the places where they say this isn't for you, but then maybe they complacent. Stay inside the fortress where it's safest, cause outside these walls they say it's really dangerous. Homie, I believe me, that's why I'm out here riding for the people. Tell them where I be at, where they need me. And you ain't gotta beat me or do something different trying to beat me. You saying it's insane, run my lane like you saying. So you slang or run my name through the mud, but you playing all these game. The truth, man, everybody in the body is in godly cause they follow where you walking or talking how you talking. I ain't running from the standard, just ain't standing for the running. Man, I call it like I see it reverie. All things are all men, I'm trying to be it. If I'm 116, then I mean I'm on mission. He orders every little step. Bobby Brown, no addition, but who woulda thought where I went woulda caused the vision, how coulda? Humble beasts trying to reach where they be, bring them peace. Honestly, could perceive all this grief and cause a collision. My God, no for real, my God, give me clear sight just to live how you are. God knows I want that for sure. Everything on life, hope and give it to me. Please know where you be isn't where he has me, but it's still same team.
What I'm finna quit for? You see me living like a king. It's still 116, bruh. Oh Lord, working for the same team. I think I need an ad-lib from Diddy. Cause I'ma take that to each and every city. Homie, I'ma take that. 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 I think I need an ad-lib from Diddy. Cause I'ma take that to each and every city. Homie, I'm
Humble as a mumble in the jungles of shouts and screams, digging tunnels under a stampede. Beast! Okay, keep praying for the grace we stay cold but never freeze. Like water at 4 degrees. Fahrenheit, where was I there if I share a
So if you like what you see, go ahead and slap that subscribe button for more. I'll keep them coming if that's what you want. If you have any other suggestions, just leave them in the comment section below. And I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Which gang?